Welcome to Brainy Bits TV. In this video, we will share some information about the asteroid Apophis and also discuss whether there is any chance of its collision with Earth and what is NASA planning for it. Before we get started, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like the video, and share it because doing so will help us grow as a channel. Apophis is a near-Earth object that was discovered in 2004. It is about 1,100 feet or 340 meters in diameter. It is classified as an S-type asteroid, which means that it is made up of silicate rocks and metals. Apophis has a very elongated shape, possibly with two lobes. It is on an elliptical orbit that takes it around the Sun every 7 years. In 2029, Apophis will pass within 19,794 miles or 31,860 kilometers of Earth. This will be the closest approach to Earth by an asteroid of this size that scientists have known about in advance. There is no current risk of Apophis impacting Earth. However, there was a small chance of an impact in 2029, but this was ruled out in 2021. NASA is planning to study Apophis in detail during its close approach in 2029. This will help scientists understand the asteroid's composition, structure, and rotation, which will in turn help them assess the asteroid's impact risk. NASA has a two-part plan for asteroid Apophis. First, to study the asteroid in detail during its close approach in 2029. This will help scientists understand Apophis's composition, structure, and rotation, which will in turn help them assess the asteroid's impact risk. Second, to develop and test planetary defense technologies that could be used to deflect an asteroid if it were ever on a collision course with Earth. One such technology is the kinetic impactor, which is a spacecraft that uses its own speed and mass to change the asteroid's trajectory. To study Apophis in 2029, NASA is redirecting the OSIRIS-RX spacecraft to the asteroid. OSIRIS-RX is currently on a mission to collect a sample from asteroid Bennu. But after that mission is complete, it will be renamed OSIRIS-APEX and sent to Apophis. OSIRIS-APEX will enter orbit around Apophis and use its instruments to study the asteroid's surface, composition, and structure. To develop and test planetary defense technologies, NASA is participating in the Double Asteroid Redirection Test or DART mission. DART is a kinetic impactor mission that will launch in 2021 and impact the asteroid Dimorphos in 2022. The goal of DART is to change Dimorphos's orbit by a small amount, which will demonstrate the feasibility of using kinetic impactors to deflect asteroids. If the DART mission is successful, it will show that we have the ability to change an asteroid's orbit by a small amount. This could be used to deflect Apophis if it were ever on a collision course with Earth. The combination of these two missions will give NASA a wealth of information about Apophis and planetary defense technologies. This information will help scientists assess the asteroid's impact risk and develop effective methods for deflecting asteroids if necessary. In addition to these two missions, NASA is also working on other projects related to the asteroid Apophis. For example, the agency is developing a public outreach program to educate people about the asteroid and the importance of planetary defense. Overall, NASA is taking a comprehensive approach to asteroid Apophis. By studying the asteroid in detail, developing and testing planetary defense technologies, and educating the public, NASA is working to ensure that Earth is safe from this potentially hazardous asteroid. What are your thoughts on it? Leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.